Yo guys, what is up today? We have another puzzle to solve. I went kind of simple on this one, no fun intro. I will do them when I can think of something that's good, but you know, if it doesn't really fit the puzzle, then it's just not really my style. So we got just a fun little puzzle box here. These are very easy to get. You can just get them off Amazon. They're all handmade and they're made in a bunch of very different steps. So I thought a 12 was a good place to start. A little bit of a challenge, but not too easy. So let's find out how it works. So let's get started. This is the kind of box that it is hard to see anything that you're supposed to do. So of course, try and keep this in the camera. I wanted to go wide. You know what? Let me. So there's of course seams inside. Oh, here's I think one move. There's a seam running through. Let's get the mic cord out of the way. At least get the mic cord out of the way. All right, there you go. That's move number one. Pretty simple. There's more seams here. I don't know what moves. Okay, there's on the other side, there's another slide, but that does not move at all right now. What if we put this back? If we put this back, interesting. No, okay, they both move. So that's two moves. Those both slide that way. I'm not seeing anything else. Like there's the trippy patterns, like this spot right here. Like the way the pattern is, it makes it look like there's a button. Like this whole top part is fairly kind of checkered board. Like over here, multiple parts. It'll be like a button or something that moves. Oh, there you go, that slides up. But that still can't come over. So that slides, so this slides down on one side there, which then lets this move over. So then from there. Okay, so how many moves has that been now? It's been 1, 2, 3, 4 moves. So these, the long sides here, don't seem to move at all. Now this shifted a little. I just pushed that back and it stopped moving completely. Now it moves again, shifts up and down a bit. This bit doesn't want to move at all. It should move. It moves. I mean, this is probably gonna move. Like this one moved and it just isn't doing it right now. I mean, just really classic puzzle box design. So I thought it'd be fun to solve for you guys. These are kind of, I mean, in the scheme of big expensive things, these aren't that expensive. Let me adjust my camera. Okay, after fighting with the camera and getting it to stay in place, we're back to trying to figure this out. So that slides forward. That's only 4 moves, right? We're gonna reset this back. Okay, yeah, so that's how it started. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 out of 12. Okay. It's got 4 out of 12. What did I do here? Okay, there we go. Okay, when that slid back in, can I go the other way now? I can't go the other way. I'm gonna slid back in. It doesn't want to move at all. So, what's the next move? What do you guys think? Give you like a full view of this thing. There's not a ton going on here. There's not a lot to go off of. I definitely don't think there'd be any buttons involved in this. I mean, it's fairly small. Should be fairly straightforward. But, that doesn't do anything. It looks like... Huh, how good is the seam on this? Okay, there's... So this panel moves, and I'm trying to determine if there's clearly a seam there. So like, would this move? I don't think the bottom side moves. So we have 3 parts that move, just 3 sides that move. So that means it's gotta be one of these 3 sides, right? Oh, whoa, wait. Oh. Okay. Let's do a quick reset. We're gonna do a quick reset. We're gonna put that back. That's gonna slide back. That's gonna slide up. That's gonna slide over. I think I just discovered the next move. So this slides over to the edge there. That slides over there. This slides down. The top slides out. And now this bit, top slides out. This bit slides over a bit more and comes down a bit more. Which means that can slide over a bit more, which means this one can now slide down. There we go. That one slides down now. That slides down. And that makes that slide over more, and that slides down more. Is that it? Oh, it's not it yet. But now this one, the top can now slide over. Okay. There we go. Was that 12 moves? I don't know if that was 12 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Slide it back 11. Down 12, and it comes out. There you go. That is a nice little puzzle box. I'm probably gonna keep something in there. Is that big enough for a deck of cards? Can I put a deck of cards in it? This isn't a deck of cards, but it's close enough. No, can't put a deck of cards there. All right, I will think of something special to keep in there. That's a nice little puzzle box. It looks great. Now that I've done it, the steps are very easy. It wouldn't be too annoying to go ahead and actually use this for storage. So there you go. Comment below, let me know if you saw a quicker way to do that.